In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable pop-up blocker in Google Chrome browser. If a site you trust needs to open a login window, a payment confirmation, or a verification prompt, Chrome's pop-up blocker can sometimes get in the way. I'll walk you through the exact settings to turn that blocker off, explain what each option means, and share a few safety tips so you stay in control. First, open Google Chrome on your computer and look at the top right corner of the window. Click the three-dot menu icon. This menu is sometimes called More, and it's where Chrome keeps most of its tools and preferences. From that menu, choose Settings. Chrome will open a new tab with all your browser options. On the left-hand side of this page, click Privacy and Security. This section is where Chrome groups controls that affect safety, data, and site permissions. Next, select Site Settings. Think of Site Settings as the command center for what websites are allowed to do in your browser. Things like using your location, sending notifications, or opening pop-ups. Scroll down the Site Settings page and click Pop-ups and Redirects. Pop-ups are additional windows or tabs that a site tries to open, and redirects are when a site quickly moves you to a different page or domain. Chrome blocks most of these by default to reduce unwanted ads and potential scams. Under Default Behavior, choose sites can send pop-ups and use redirects. Selecting this option disables the pop-up blocker, allowing all sites to open pop-ups and perform redirects. The change takes effect immediately for your current Chrome profile. A quick word of caution here. While enabling pop-ups can be necessary for certain websites, it also opens the door to more aggressive advertising and potential phishing attempts. Only keep this setting on when you truly need it, and consider switching it back to the stricter option once you're finished with the task that requires pop-ups. You're not breaking anything by toggling this. Chrome is designed to let you adjust it as needed. If the wording you see looks slightly different, don't worry. Chrome updates occasionally, but the path, settings, privacy and security, site settings, pop-ups, and redirects stays largely the same. Also note that these changes apply to this Chrome user profile, so other profiles or devices may have different settings. And that's it. You've successfully disabled the pop-up blocker in Google Chrome. Use it thoughtfully, and when you no longer need pop-ups, return to the same place to tighten things back up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.